Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use your Facebook avatar on your Instagram story. It's a really quick and easy thing to do, so just open up your Instagram, wait for it to load, and click to create a new story from here. Once you've selected there, select a picture or something that you want to add, and afterwards you just need to click this little sticker message right here. Once you've done that, click on Avatar. You have locations, mention, hashtag, questions, GIFs, and avatars. Just need to click Avatar. And if you're not connected to Facebook, it will ask you to connect, so make sure to do that. It will load up your Instagram avatar. And once you've done that, you'll have all the reactions from your Facebook avatar here. And you can place it like this and post your story. And that's pretty much how you do it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good one.